To safeguard crucial information, you may dedicate time and effort to backup an Android phone to an independent storage like a MacBook. Well, this informative guide explains how to back up Android to Mac in verified ways. Let's go check them out now. Method 1. How to back up Android to Mac via Android Backup and Restore Effortless. If you are seeking a tool to create and restore backups effortlessly across various Android devices, don't overlook Mobican Backup Manager for Android, also known as Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Establish a connection between Android and Mac. Step 2. Choose the file types for backup. Step 3. Backup the Android data to Mac. Method 2. How to backup Android phone to Mac via Assistant for Android. Mobican Assistant for Android, Mac, and Windows is a safekeeper for your Android items, including contacts, messages, apps, photos, music, videos, books, etc. For targeted backups, select specific data types from the left side menu on Mobican Assistant for Android on Mac. To illustrate, for contacts, click the Contacts tab, preview and select the contacts to back up, then click the Export button from the top menu. Method 3. How to backup Android on Mac with Android File Transfer. Download and open Android File Transfer on your Mac. Move the app to the Applications folder. Connect your Android phone to your MacBook via USB. Open Android File Transfer. Select and copy files from your phone to your Mac. Method 4. How to backup Android phone to Mac using AirDoid. Install AirDoid on Android. Sign up. Connect phone and Mac to the same Wi-Fi. Visit web.airdroid.com. Scan QR code. Access Android photos on Mac. Choose and download selected photos. Method 5. How to backup Android to MacBook or Mac with Google. Update Google Photos Drive. Activate Backup and Sync in App Settings. Google Drive. Click Upload. Choose Files. Customize backup preferences. Open browser. Visit Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account. Access and download items. Method 6. How to backup Android phone to Mac via Smart Switch. Samsung. Install Smart Switch on Mac. Connect Samsung phone via USB. Allow access. Enable USB debugging. In Smart Switch. Click Backup. Choose Content for backup. Pick Mac backup location. Click Backup to start.